Petite, Martinique, which was unscathed by the virus since its outbreak in Grenada in 2020, has recorded 5 positive COVID-19 cases. Though its big sister Carriacou has been experiencing a steady increase in numbers over the past few weeks, the island was able to somehow keep the virus at bay.
The positive case in Petite Martinique did come from a fisherman, as far as I'm aware, that was out with his Grenadian group and returned to Petite Martinique after a stint at sea and returned positive. That individual was able to be identified and isolated quickly. Time will tell whether it was quickly enough, but so far it does appear so. But that would have been the first of COVID's most recent attack on Petite Martinique. And we were able to fend off, but there will be others. There will be other attacks.
Minister for Health, Nicholas Steele. He pointed out that the small island does have its challenges when it comes to adequate health facilities to address COVID-19. However, he gives the assurance that a contingency plan is in place.
Petite Martinique does not have a hospital based on its size of population. It has a health center. And therefore, the protocols that we put in place is to move individuals much sooner, much faster to the general hospital or to the point of care. And therefore, the Petite Martinican people themselves need to be more diligent. And they have been. But we need to remain cautious and not take anything for granted.
Contact tracing continues in neighboring Carriacou. Minister for Carriacou and Petite Martinique Affairs, Kindra Matuin-Stewart, says the active cases on the island passed the 50 mark.
I can report that we now have 57 active cases in Carriacou and 5 active cases over in the island of Petite Martinique at the moment. Of course, we are concerned with the rising numbers, but what we have noticed thus far is that the recent cases, the latest cases, are really contacts of previous positive cases, and so it means therefore that our contact tracing efforts and activities are really working.
Minister Stewart says that there is still light at the end of the tunnel, as she has seen increases in residents and businesses following COVID-19 protocols, which reduces the spread. For GBN News, I am Rena Petite Thomas reporting.